There is this excitement in being able to earn your dollars in the midst of your 20s. The sense of accomplishment and pride that comes with being able to support yourself is indescribable. However, what many people in their 20s don't realize is that while earning your own money is an amazing feat, it also comes with a lot of responsibility. Some millennials are well versed in personal finance, while many others fall short of that standard. If you're in the former group, good for you. You are ahead of the game and are likely doing quite well for yourself. If you find yourself in the latter group, don't fret. There is still time to educate yourself on financial matters and get your finances in order. Pennywise, the channel focuses on exploring wealth and increasing savings through life-changing practices about personal finance, money earning and management tips, avoiding hoaxes, and so much more. Our goal is to equip you with a penny-wise mindset through your journey to fund and help you experience the life you desire. We aim to provide 5 videos per week and strive to make these videos as amusing, educational, and fun as possible. So please join us on this exciting adventure by clicking the subscribe button below. A lot of millennials make the same mistakes when it comes to money. And in this video, we will be outlining some of those mistakes so that you can learn from them and start building your wealth today. Number 1. Living lavishly. Most millennials have to pay for a roof over their head. This can be done by getting a mortgage or rent. However, sometimes millennials take on housing expenses that are more than what they can afford. Housing is important, and you need to be realistic about what you want and need. This way, you can figure out how much of your budget you should use for a home and have money left over for other things you need, and some fun too. Number 2. Not sticking to your budget. There are 2 ways you may mess up your finances. You can either have no budget or fail to stick to it. Knowing how much money you make and how much money you spend every month can help you understand where your money goes. Once you have this information, you can decide if you want to continue spending money on things that aren't necessary, or if there are things that you can cut back on. If you don't stay within your budget, you can quickly get into financial trouble. Number 3. Misusing credit cards. Credit cards can be a great way to make purchases without having to carry a lot of cash around with you. The downside is that it's easy to make careless purchases without thinking them through, and before you know it, you might have accumulated a lot of debt. If you don't pay your bills on time, you'll have to pay an interest charge. This can be a lot of money, so it's important to try to avoid this. If you do have to pay an interest charge, it's best to only do so for a short period of time or for an emergency. Number 4. Not saving for emergencies. Life is full of surprises. You have no idea when your car brakes will need to be replaced, whether your pipes will burst, or if you'll need to go on vacation. Putting aside money each month to cover unanticipated expenses will help you make excellent financial decisions and make dealing with crisis less stressful. Number 5. Failing to plan for the future. Thinking ahead beyond the immediate month or year is a fantastic money strategy. Whether it's for retirement planning or simply deciding to be more intentional about putting money away for an upcoming trip or event. When you look at the big picture, it becomes more important to manage your day-to-day budget. This is because the big picture shows how your daily decisions impact your overall goals. Number 6. Overlooking the little things. Small expenses like a latte on the way to work or lunch out each day can really add up over time. Make sure you are aware of how much you're spending on things like this so you can avoid overspending. Take some time to monitor some of your regular purchases, and you'll notice that cutting back on a few of the little things may make a significant difference to your budget. Number 7. joining hearts and accounts too early. When you're dating someone you enjoy spending time with, it's easy to want to merge your lives and use the opportunity to get the most out of each other. When moving in together, you might expect to spend less on your living expenses. Merging bank accounts or credit cards prematurely, on the other hand, may have long-term financial repercussions. If the relationship ends, you might find yourself in a difficult position. Before taking this step, ensure you're on the same page about your finances. Important discussions about who will be responsible for what and how you feel about debt and large purchases are fundamental before you agree to take on the results of someone else's financial decisions, says Sheet, EVP for Oklahoma Central Credit Union. Number 8. Creating an auto payment arrangement. If you have a good handle on your spending, setting up monthly auto payments for items like cellular plans, utilities, and necessities can seem like a smart move. No more needing to remember to pay the bill on time. But suppose you go out with friends and pick up the tab and forget the water bill is being withdrawn tomorrow. In that case, you can easily overdraft your account and incur fees. Don't forget to review your account regularly to ensure you have enough money to cover all of your transactions. Number 9. Not paying taxes. Skipping out on Uncle Sam is a bad idea. While staying current on your taxes might be difficult if you owe money, the ramifications of not paying can have a lasting impact on your credit. The best way to avoid this is to set up a payment plan with the IRS. This way, you can make smaller payments over time and avoid damaging your credit. Number 10. Making poor investments. Maybe it goes without saying, but get-rich-quick schemes are probably too good to be true. You're better off investing your money in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. These options have a history of providing stability and growth over time. Just be sure to do your research before investing, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Working with a professional financial advisor and investing in funds and accounts that have proven returns is a great way to make your money work for you. It's never too late to start on the road to financial success. Avoiding or repairing these money blunders may be a stepping stone toward developing a better financial future. If you aren't penny-wise yet, work with a professional financial advisor and take steps to improve your finances. Making sound financial decisions today means you can enjoy your money tomorrow. If you want to learn more about finances, consider subscribing by clicking the big red button below and ringing the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Feel free to like and comment your thoughts so we'll know your feedback. Thanks for tuning in, and see you again in our next video.